Coaches, Thomas here from MyCoach AI, and a quick video today on how you can install some of the pillars, the real consistent stuff that happens in your coaching with all clients. You can install that into the system and also update it to your existing clients. So just an example before we get started, maybe you have all of your clients tracking their steps daily. Or maybe you want them to track their water intake. Maybe every single Friday there's a certain group call happening, so you want all clients to have it on their calendar. These type of things, right? Pillars of your coaching that are essentially going to be consistent across all of the clients that you currently coach, as well as new people that come into the system. Now, I already gave a keyword there, new people coming into the system. That, of course, should directly point you in the direction of the global settings, because we have something in the global settings under what we call the default client settings. That is called, we scroll down a bit here, the default recurring schedule. And this is exactly what that does. So this is a default schedule, something that recurs on either a daily or weekly basis or multiple times per week. That is essentially a staple of your coaching happening to all clients across the board. And you can just set those up here. And that way you do not have to build them into programs. You do not have to individually schedule them for new people coming in or some certain clients. You can simply set it up here, make it a pillar of your coaching, and it will happen across the board. Now, here's an example. 10K steps, right? Maybe that's something that I want my clients to record throughout Monday through Friday. So that's what I've set up here. Every single day, record your water intake, something I have set up here as well. Now let's do another example, right? We're just going to go to add content. And first of all, select the days in which it should recur. So if it happens every single Sunday, you only select Sunday here. If it happens every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you select Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here. Let's go with that example, right? Maybe we want to take progress pictures every Friday from clients. Cool. So we select Friday, we go to recurring progress metric, and then we find the metric that we want them to complete. Say like it's a front photo, right? And keep in mind that now I'm using progress metric, but you can add anything here. You can set up a recurring auto message through the smart actions. You can do files or videos that recur at certain moments, workouts or exercises, all up to you. Right? Now for this one, we're using a progress metric, and I'm going to go take the front photo flexed metric here, and I've set this up for every Friday. So what I've now done is made this part of my default recurring schedule. And for any new client that comes in after this, this is already going to be a part of their schedule. Automatic, fully until essentially the end of time. It's just going to set up indefinitely for every Friday to come. Now, the only thing left to do is to update this for my existing clients as well. I already have a couple clients in the system, but of course, what I just assigned is for new clients coming in. But all I have to do to align that is sync it up to existing clients. So I'm just going to go sync to clients, select all clients here, all 6 are selected, and then confirm and sync. And you will notice even that now if I go to an existing client and go find their client profile, they also have an individual default recurring schedule, or just a recurring schedule in this case, and you will see that it matches up because we just synced it. And now that means that every single Friday, let's just go to this client to show, but every Friday moving forward, we can see that the recurring items, such as the front photo that we just added in, is a standard part of the schedule. Indefinitely, no longer needed to program it in individual programs, schedules, or manually do anything like that. New clients will have it too. Super simple, a great way to set up some staples in your coaching, save yourself some time. Now you know how to do it. See you in the next one.